Love Angry Birds for kids.
Okay. Hey, oh my God. I killed him. I'm still. No, you're not. I am Gangsta Piggy. I turned that to life. That's what they do. I just shot you in the face. I'm still here. You didn't kill me. I killed you. Hello? I'm still here. I'm still Gangsta Piggy. Yeah. That's it. I'm Gangsta Piggy. I'm coming. I got it. As soon as I get out of the show. No gun. I'm a gangsta. What do you expect? You're crazy. I'm coming for you as soon as I get out of here. You're freaking I'm a crazy. Crazy. Too late. You're dead. Yeah. Okay. No, now I'm a lady pig. Now we're angry bird. No, now I'm gangsta pig. You have to have the Angry Bird official. Oh, I'm the blue guy. There is a blue guy. Oh yeah, because you're blue. Yeah. He can't be anything because he doesn't have the color. I'm the yellow guy. No! You have to have that color shirt. Okay. Now you're Peggy. I'm still this guy. She was already a Peggy. Yeah, okay, this way I'm gonna make you a gangster pig. Ow! Gangster! Yeah, that's really how it's like. Wait, no, nobody wants to. Okay, now it's a blindfolded. It's a mustache. That's a mustache. No, that's a mustache. Alright, it's mustache pig. Okay, that's fine. Oh, lady pig. That chokes. Cool. Mustache. Ow. Stop. Just kill the fucking pig. Okay, me first. Wait, what's the special power again? It's a blue.
Blowing up people, I think.
Oh,